Hello everyone. Today my book review is about 10 Stupid Things Couples Do to Mess Up Their Relationships by Dr. Laura, and my name is Carlson. So her purpose to write this book is to deal in truths and values about life, love, death, responsibilities, character, religion, and general everyday behavior. She wrote 10 Stupid Things Couples Do to Mess Up Their Relationships because she wants to talk about the problems men and women face in finding peace and love in an American society. She wants her readers to stop racial sensitivity and homosexuality. She explains that privacy, priorities, and practicing happiness will help couples maintain their relationships. So here are some quotes that compare her ideas in the book. So she explained how couples need privacy in their relationships, such as having quality time or a spiritual time alone. In chapter 1, Lisa J. Amos wrote, "It's not the actual event that happens that matters. It is how you perceive that event." So I believe she's trying to say that it doesn't matter what you do, but if your partner is perceive it as guilty, then you're guilty. Another quote is Dr. Laura explained how couples need to set their priorities aside to maintain a good relationship. And Dave Ramsey said, "You can get anywhere if you simply go one step at a time." The couple is not trying to take a step to maintain the relationship, so we'll never get anywhere. Dr. Laura wants her readers to practice happiness. One day when Dr. Laura was walking in Manhattan and being sullen and unhappy over stuff, a crippled old man told her to smile, and she was so embarrassed that he was happier than her, who was a healthy woman attending an Ivy League graduate school. So in chapter 5, in discussion, Miguel Herrera wrote, when we're experiencing success, it's important to ask ourselves how much of it is truly down to us. So here's are some practical ideas from the author. So she recommends privacy in relationships. We should set our priorities aside, and we should practice happiness. Here are some pictures. So I agree with all the author's recommendation. Uh, I was already trying to practice happiness ever since from my previous English course. We were like talking, our topic was mostly about happiness, and it suggested me to try practicing happiness. So that's what I did. Thanks for listening. Thank you.